quiet, power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase card, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud. Now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Cancer, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 8th to February the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below if you resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, nagla-live din po tayo doon. Kung hindi po kayo makaresonate dito, baka nandun din po ang inyong readings, no? Ibang reading po yung nandoon for February the 8th to February the 14th. Nakapost na po. Ayan. So, again, ibang readings yon. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with a bits and pieces of the reading. Well, take what's only yours. Cancer. Parang meron tayong mga bagay-bagay na gustong ma-achieve na parang hindi naibigay sa atin for now. Pero up until now, no, parang sinasabi natin, pangarap ko yan, no? Pinapangarap ko, no? It could be trabaho, it could be makapunta sa ibang lugar, no? Meron tayong mga dream destinations, ayan, no? Pangarap ko magkaroon ng ganitong, it could be material, no? Ng ganitong ganitong bahay. It could also be ganitong amount of money, no? Finances. Or pinapangarap ko itong taong to. And in literal form, baka merong nakikita ko dito na parang napapanaginipan ka sa gabi, no? I feel like medyo okay ang nangyayari sa inyo. Hindi ko sinasabing best, hindi rin naman siya worst. Parang nandun tayo sa okay, no? And sometimes okay is medyo hindi tayo masyadong okay. You know what I mean? Minsan sinasabi na lang natin kasi, well, okay is becoming a word for sometimes not really okay, 'di ba? Okay is also a word para lang ma-stop yung mga conversations, 'di ba? Pag sinabing kamusta ka, I'm okay. Tapos ang usapan, wala na mga follow-ups, no? Minsan kahit gusto natin magsalita, I'm okay. Tapos na ang usapan. I think that's just the okay term becomes a parang nawala na yung meaning. Yung deeper meaning of being okay, no? Pero chances are sabihin natin meron tayong mga gustong mangyari kaso hindi pa masyadong established, no? Itong either relationship, hindi pa masyadong established ang pagstay natin dito sa trabahong ito. Hindi pa masyadong established siguro ang business natin para makapag-impok ng mabuti, no? Or somehow, siguro, nandito tayo kung mga material things naman yan. Nandito tayo sa okay na muna ako sa dupe, no? And that's okay. I think that the word okay in that's okay, I think that's the meaning of it. So parang that's okay. With the Six of Swords in here and the Judgment, pero hindi pa rin nawawala yung ating sinasabing makukuha ko rin yan, no? By hook or by crook, no? Sana by sa mabuting paraan, no? I think that with the Judgment in here, nagpapasalamat tayo, yes, sa mga nangyayari ngayon. Pero also, we want some improvements, no? Some elevations, especially when it comes to love. But I feel like someone here, when it comes to love, ganun nakatindi itong wanting nitong taong to. To a point kasi na parang dito siya nakapag-desisyon na, ay oo, iba na rin 'tong nararamdaman ko. Ay oo, malala na rin 'tong nararamdaman ko. Kasi bakit? Kasi nagsisimula na ako managinip, nagsisimula na akong managinip mapanaginipan siya, 'no? Um, I feel like kahit papaano meron nagkakaroon na rin ng reciprocations ng energies. So kung ikaw lang ang dating may gusto, ngayon nakakita ko with the Five of Swords, kahit papaano may reciprocations nga, kahit papaano nagkakagusto na rin siya sa'yo, 'no? Kung ito'y buhay kung ito'y, I mean finances, kahit papaano may dumadating, 'di ba? All you just need to do is to save. With the Three of Pentacles, you somehow thinking, anong magagawa ko para ma-achieve ito? I think that you're researching how to siguro, no? How to multiply your money. Kung this is material things, no, probably nandito muna ako. You have elevation. So from dupe, nandito ka ngayon sa, siguro doon muna ako sa mga second hand, no, na, but original na, no. So, kumbaga meron ng elevations dito. So the next na niyan, doon ka na mismo sa store bibili, no. Kung tirahan naman ito, baka dati nakikisama tayo, no, sa families. Ngayon, wala pa man tayong sariling bahay, pero ngayon pabukod na tayo, no? So, we are somehow slowly elevating towards it. I feel like this is more than just libog, no? Libog is, I think, a word that sometimes nakakahiyang sabihin. But it just signifies the desire, di ba? Libog doesn't always have to be sexual, di ba? Yes, usually that's often used for sexual, no? Ay, libog na libog ako. Pero when it comes to yung libog kasi that's desire. That's yung parang yung inits na sa iyong damdamin. And it felt like yung parang ngayon parang since nagkaroon na ako ng desire, I feel like parang ngayon focus na ako dito, no? Parang wala na akong ibang inisip, no? Kung hindi itong energy na ito. And I feel like hindi ako matatamhimik pag hindi ko nakuha yon. So, kailangan pagbutihin ko pa, no? So, that's the reason why I also meant research, probably also, no, meron tayong mga tinitignan. So, ngayon, meron ng tumitingin-tingin ng inyong social media account. So, parang or Instagram, no? Tinitingnan, ay, 5 years ago, ganito pala yung mga nangyayari sa kanya. 5 years ago, ganito pala yung itsura niya, no? Or eto pala yung mga kamag-anak niya, ito yung mga friends niya, marami na siyang alam na hindi mo pa alam. Chances are, sabihin na natin, sige, no? Medyo meron din siyang desire of sexual, pero this is more of really wanting to get to know you, to own you. Hindi naman yung nakakatakot na obsessions, pero parang crossing the boundary of obsessions with the death card. I feel like for those of you who are in separations, kung meron man siyang mga, syempre of course, kaya nga kayo naging kayo dahil nagkagustuhan kayo, pero ngayon mas mainit yung pagkagusto niya na siguro something in you elevated, no? Parang ay, nag-glow up, no? Tatanggapin mo ba? Kasi ngayon nag-glow up ka na. Ayan. With the Six of Wands. So there will be some good news about this, but it felt like to me, medyo magiging persistent, no, itong taong ito. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, kaya katulad kanina, siguro kaya ako nasabi ang by hook or by crook, lumabas kasi ang the devil card, no? Sana dun nga tayo sa tamang paraan, sa mabuting paraan. Baka kasi sa sobrang desire natin, mahulog tayo sa rabbit hole ng pagkuha nito kahit sa maling paraan, no? Baka kasi ayoko magbigay ng mga ng mga um, examples, no? Kapag maling paraan, pass tayo diyan, no? What I am trying to say in here, kailangan i-ano pa rin natin ang ating morality. Chances are kasi kapag we jumped into the rabbit hole of um, too much desire, no, to a point of being possessive and obsessive, um, I feel like this might go a wrong way, no? But anyway, with the King of Swords, kaya dapat we have to be grounded, no? With the King of Swords and the King of Wands. So parang kung dati nagmamadali tayo, ngayon medyo, okay, kailangan makuha ko to by yung hindi ako madadapa, no? So parang sa'yo, medyo focus tayo ngayon. Hindi sa nagmamadali, kasi with the King of Swords, hindi din ito sa masyadong yung paspasan, no? Yun nga, santong paspasan. So ngayon parang medyo nasa dasalan tayo ngayon. Kailangan nakukuha ko ito ng wala akong nakakaligta ang mga steps, no? With the Princess of Cups in here, we keep on checking. Probably guides. Kaya tayo nandito nanonood ng tarot card reading, no? Guides and the Princess of Wands. What we are trying to do in here is, siguro meron tayong mga vision boards right now. Vision boards can really help. And with the Two of Cups, and the Eight of Wands, parang siguro kapag nandito na tayo sa nagamay na natin, no? Itong mga ways, proper, let's say, how we can, kumbaga yung ginagamay kasi natin 'tong mga steps na ito, no? Siguro kapag naging ano na siya, kasama na ng ating muscle memory, no? I think that things will change, no, into positively fast. With the Two of Cups, I feel like doon naman sa mga taong merong strong desire, kasi minsan nakakatakot na kapag too much na, nakakasakal na yon. Dapat ano lang tayo, no, ah, grounded pa din, no? Dapat meron pa rin tayong paggalang sa kanilang uh, privacy, no? Me time, ayan. Nakikita ko dito kung hindi ka, no, kung hindi tayo magja-jump sa rabbit hole ng excessiveness. Sayong-sayo 'to, sayong-sayo siya, kayong-kayo uli, no? Kasi ang nakikita natin dito with the Two of Cups, parang nagkaroon na kayo ng exchanging of hearts, whether it is dati pa, so may manunumbalik. I feel like kung wala pa, so eto na yung time na yon, no? Kumbaga, I'm sharing you my cup and you're sharing me your cup, no? So parang nandito rin yung elevations pa more, no? From siguro no label, no, magiging officially kayo. Kung kayo naman, nandito na ang cohabitation proposal, no? Or nandito din yung marriage. Kung married na, baka meron ng anak. Kung meron ng anak, baka ito na nga, yung bahay, no? Or a combinations of everything, no? So let's get some more cards here. Cancer. Ayan. Gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na doon po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, na nagla-live po tayo dyan. Ayan. Pwede po kayo magtanong doon. Kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong readings, no? Kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero, ayan, kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. No, sa description box po ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Ayan. So, follow the instructions. Nandun din po ang name, amount per question, no? Number, QR code for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, Jamaica King Kai. So, I feel like you are going to create history with this situation. So, parang this is a lasting commitment. This is a lasting experience, you know, with you and this connection, with this energy. And it felt like this story, no, will be an inspiration for many. So, tignan natin ang iyong message from the universe. You are doing your best and that is enough. Any difficulties that you face will not last forever. Release the thoughts and feelings that don't feel good. Focus all of your energy on love, happiness, and your hopes and dreams. Katulad ng sinabi ko, doon lang tayo magfo-focus, no? Ito lang yung gusto natin. Huwag tayong sumobra. And I feel like kung ano man yung ginagawa mo ngayon, that's enough. That's best enough. Huwag nang sumobra, no? Kasi I feel like instead na sayod na, no, mapurnada pa. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Baka kapwa Cancer ito. Leo, Capricorn, no? Scorpio, Libra, Taurus, Sagittarius, Cancer. I mean Pisces. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste and see you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye.
You want the